How to change the time duration for auto lock when screen turns off on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we go down and tap on lock screen and AOD. At the top here, tap on secure lock settings. Then enter in the current PIN and tap on continued. After that, tap on auto lock when screen turns off. Here you can choose immediate, or you can choose between 5 seconds all the way down to 30 minutes. So select your time. So 5 seconds. So here it said that after 5 seconds, except when kept unlocked by extended unlock. So your phone should automatically turn off the screen after the set time duration. Here it says your device is unlocked because of the extend unlock. So I can go in here and turn off the extend unlock. So I've got this here. I will turn it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.